his senses.
ఇంద్రియములకు దాసుడైనటువంటి వాడు ఎంత విద్యావంతుడైనప్పటికీ వాడు మూర్ఖుడే.
If one is a slave to the senses, however knowledgeable he is a fool.
Not only fool, fool.
Not only fool.
ఈ గుణములు సరైనటువంటి గుణములు లేకపోతే ఇంకా ఆ విద్యలు దేనికోసం?
When these qualities are not there, what for?
Bookish knowledge.
It's all bookish knowledge.
ఈ bookish knowledge వల్ల దేశానికి ఏమీ ఉపయోగం లేదు.
This bookish knowledge will never help the country.
Practical knowledge లో ప్రవేశించాలి.
Be ready for practical knowledge.
Swami wants all teachers to ask students to follow the daily schedule. This is very, very important. The biggest expectation from Sai teachers is a schedule ideyala. That schedule is a Upanishadic schedule. It is created by God. It has got Vedic injunction in it. It is not a simple schedule. Belage Chakshna, Somkaram Vedi, Suprabhatam Vedi, physical exercise. So this is nothing is automatic. No education committee has prescribed this. Bhagavan himself has designed this. On the paper, when the college was started. So daily Omkar, I want somebody to read this. Because you must get used to this. Can you please read this? Mic for you.
Swami wants all teachers to ask students to follow the daily schedule. Daily Omkaram, that is Suprabhatam, and bhajans or prayers, physical exercises, breakfast, study, school or college, games or sports, extracurricular activities, timely lunch or dinner, study and sleep early.
This is this thing which Swami has given, schedule which Swami has given. Now, if you come to Bharavad specifically, you may ask me a question. We are not doing sports, when will sports? All this is there. We will have plans. Only thing is, ultimately we should reach this level. Brother was saying that we have reached C grade or B grade or C grade or B grade. We will go to A grade. When it comes to A grade, the full flow schedule will be this. We have to reach this level, and it will be your responsibility, sisters, to reach this level. What is it? Ensure that all girls, Omkaram Suprabhatam, insist on that. Maybe some deviations. Maybe some people have come from different backgrounds. It will take some time, but keep insisting on that. Right? Ensure that you give Omkar. In fact, there is an award for that. In Satsai Institute of Higher Learning in Puttaparthi. I don't know about Anantapur. You have? Yes? Those students, for example, in the Vashadali, all the 365 days, if a student has attended Omkaram and Suprabhatam in the foyer, he is given an award. He is recognized. So much of importance is given. Not the percentage of guy who is selected in the campus recruitment is given an award. No. A guy who has all the 365 days who has attended Omkaram and Suprabhatam, I know many of my own known people have received that award. So much of importance is given because it is designed by God himself. Second, bhajans and prayer. We do not know what is the purpose of this. At that age, when the chemical reactions in the body is flowing, when the thoughts are there going like the waves in the ocean, at that age, at that impressionable age, to discipline that mind, only the super master can do it. That is the reason why he has done all this. ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ರಮಶಿಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮಾಡದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಆ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಟುಡೇ. ಯಾಕೆ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ಪಾಲನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. You compare any, I have been taking classes in various institutes, like you go to Maharajas College in Bangalore, you go to Mount Carmel College. We should close our eyes and go to the classroom. I don't want to explain beyond this. Sometimes I feel like closing my eyes and going to the classroom And sometimes I do feel like closing the eyes and taking classes. Why? We can't see this thing. Indiscipline in their behavior, in their dress pattern. So many, the less we talk, the better it is. So, that is the reason why none of them are having this schedule. But in our institution, the world of difference is this. If you follow this, then you know what happens? Automatically the students will become gold. They will all be gold when they go out of the... Because study is not important. As I told you, living is not important. Life is important. These are the aspects of life. These are the foundations of education. This is what is missing in the society. Because of this, we are having confusion in society. Because we didn't do this, we are having problem in Afghanistan. I'm not exaggerating. The problem in Afghanistan is only a reflection of the human mind today. Selfishness. Here selflessness. Selfishness. Atrocities. Violence. Killing people at any cost and establishing your thing is so inhuman. It is animalistic tendencies, bestial tendencies. Adana now, we are allowing to grow. Why? Because we focus on aspects of living. In aspects of living ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಲೈಫ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮರಿತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ನಾವು ಯಾತಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಮರೆತುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೀ ಓದೋದು, ಬರೀ ದುಡ್ಡು ಸಂಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಬರೀ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಬರೀ ಗಾಡಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಬರೀ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೂ ಇದೇ ಮಾತು. In the roadside, in the marriage hall, everywhere you see only this. Where is the place for God? That is why Swami says, I will repeat again, కడుపు నిండికి తిండి, కంటి నిండికి నిద్ర, ఇంటి నిండికి పిల్లలు, కలకలలాడే వస్తువాహనాలు, ఇదే జీవితమని మురిసిపోతున్నాడు మానవుడు. They want eyes full of sleep. They want stomach full of food. They want children at home. They want flashy cars to go in the roads. Right? And they think that this is life. They kill themselves, focusing on the aspect of life. But our institution is bhajans, prayer, physical exercises, physical quotient, bhajans and prayer, daily omkaram and suprabhatam, emotional quotient, as well as spiritual quotient, study, intelligent quotient, school, college, intelligent quotient, games, sports, physical quotient, extracurricular activities, emotional quotient, timely dinner and lunch, timely, that is very important. Not even the lunch time is 1 o'clock, they go. One more feature I find, in most of the colleges where I have gone, people come, students come to college without breakfast. This is one strange thing. They come and they just come empty stomach. Their mind is not able to concentrate. By about 10 o'clock, they are not able to stand and listen to the talk. They want some, what shall I say, deviation. They either keep messaging, they go out, they eat something and come back. They are spoiling their health. So, timely lunch and dinner is very important. When even Swami conducts summer courses, he wants timely lunch. He says, you cut down the speech. Our speeches cut down ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು timely lunch ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಧ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೂ conclude ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ subject, cut down, go, give them lunch. And then just rest for 10 minutes, then come back. Then only the mind will be fresh. So, timely lunch and dinner is very important. That we have to follow. Study when? Not at 2 o'clock at night. Today's youth study from 12 o'clock to 2 o'clock at night. Right? And morning they sleep. Now this is very important. I want to emphasize on this. Swami says the whole of 24 hours is divided into Sattvic, Rajasic and Tamasic time. All of you know about this? Does anyone know about this? Anantapur girls? Anantapur girls in the hell, Anantapur teachers? Swami has told this in Trai sessions. Don't say, we did not attend Trai sessions, sir, we were in Anantapur. Okay, morning 4 o'clock to early morning 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock. How many hours? 4 to 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 hours in the morning is Satvik. 8 o'clock till 4 o'clock in the evening, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 hours is Rajasic. That is the time, he says Satvik time should be used for God. That is the time for God, or that is the time for studies. Now 8 o'clock to 4 o'clock in the evening, Rajasic time. He says you do that for attending the college, attending to job, okay, all this work regarding work, your occupation and things like 8 hours, 8 to 4. Again 4 to evening 8 o'clock, 4 to 5, 6, 7, 8. Belegge 4 hours later, evening 4 hours, again Satvik time. Again 8 o'clock till morning 4 o'clock is Tamasic. So it is divided into 3. Now this has got a sanctity. Tamasic time nalli ನೀವು ಎದ್ದು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ನೀವು ಓದಬಾರ್ದು. Tamasic time is a dull time where your mind is dull. You must sleep. That's why you are giving rest to your mind. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಆಗ ನೀವು ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. Rajasic time ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಯಾಷನ್ಸು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೀಸು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಮೋಷನ್ಸು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಟೈಮು ರಾಜಸಿಕ್ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಮಾಡೋದು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ವೃತ್ತಿಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಓದೋದು, ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹೋಗೋದು, ಲೈಬ್ರರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕೆಲಸ. ಈ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಈ 8 ಗಂಟೆ ಕಾಲ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮುಗಿಸಿ. ಯಾವಾಗ? ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 8 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ 4 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೆ. Early morning 4 o'clock till morning 8 o'clock as well as evening 4 o'clock to evening 8 o'clock ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸಾತ್ವಿಕ ಟೈಮ್. ಇದು you have to spend for your own development and your own internal cleanliness like prayer, bhajans, meditations and all. That's why Swami's organization ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮು 8 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಮಹಾಮಂಗಳಾರತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಂತಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ 8 ಗಂಟೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಅಖಂಡ ಭಜನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. 8 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಆರತಿ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ Rajasic time ends, Sattvic time ends there. Now, study time in Satya Sai Seva organizations, study time, institutions, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ they will have physical exercises, then they go for taking bath and all that. After yoga and all that, they go for bath. After that, before breakfast, they will have 1 or 2 hours time. They will study during that time. Then go for breakfast. After breakfast, they will go for college. Then coming back also, before sleeping, they will again study. So the study time is fixed. Only during that time, study time, they have to study. This is your responsibility. Role of Sai teachers in Sai institutions. You have to ensure that they study during that time. Play time is the Rajasic time, 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock. During that time, they have to play. Compulsorily they play. They go to, warden will go to this thing and ensure that none of these girls or boys are whiling away their time sleeping in the room. They ask them to get up, go and play. Unless of course they are sick, they are having met with an accident or whatever. Exceptional cases. But warden goes to every room. They ask the student to get up and go play. No excuse. This has been done compulsory. Why? Physical quotient also should improve. Yes, Sariki? Correct? No? Yes? Daily routine. Right. So then, game sports, extracurricular activities. Extracurricular activities is very, very important. Please don't circulate anything now. Huh? Please don't circulate anything now, because the moment you circulate anything, the attention goes there. Give it back to her. The attention will go off the disease. Okay. Now, extracurricular activities, like for example, most of the, I wish one of the Anantapur students come and share your experience. Anyway, no problem. They act in dramas, they write dramas, music program, instrumental music program. For example, Krishna Janmashtami. Krishna Janmashtami bandre, they offer Krishna songs. For that, the practice will go on for 1 month before it. For Ganesha Chaturthi program, practice is going on now. For birthday, practice will go on now. Convocation drama is an editing. Convocation drama, in new theme, in every year a new theme. Students like the drama. And Swami comes and sees the drama. In fact, he takes so much of pain. We have got photograph. ಆ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ಡ್ರಾಮಾ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಟರ್ಬನ್ ಸ್ವಾಮಿನೇ ಕಟ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಫ್ಲೂಟ್ ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ಸಾಯಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ himself, he knew how he put the flute in Dwapara. So he says, do this, don't keep like this, don't keep like this. ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಕೆಲವರು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Don't, audio left hander ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Don't keep it like this, keep it like this, keep it in the right fashion ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. Have you seen any chancellor doing this? Chancellor of the university? He does it. Acting ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ರೂಮ್ಗೆ ಕರೆದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು hours he spends with them. This is for emotional quotient.
He goes for rehearsals also.
Huh?
He goes for rehearsals also.
Yes, rehearsals. Rehearsals he goes, he spends hours and he says, no, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಭಾವ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೂ ಭಾವ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಭಾವದಿಂದ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I tell you one incident. You know what happened? One of the student wanted to act in a drama. This is all emotional quotient. This comes in it. One of the students wanted to act in a drama as a hungry beggar. That was his role. Hungry beggar. ಹಸು ಇರೋ ಒಂದು ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕ. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಇದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. You know what that boy did? For one day, one full day, he didn't eat. He didn't eat. And he went for the drama. He really enacted that. He was really enacting that because he was really hungry. See, this is where truth and fact comes together. Fact is that he is acting in a drama. But truth is, he is really hungry. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನೀವು, ನಿಜ ಮತ್ತು ಸತ್ಯ. ನಿಜ ಏನು? ಆ ಡ್ರಾಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬಡವ ಒಂದು ಭಿಕ್ಷಕನಾಗಿ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸತ್ಯ ಏನು? ಅವನು ಹಸಿವಿರೋ ತರ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಿಜ ಏನು? ಅವನು ಬಡವ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವನು ಭಿಕ್ಷುಕ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಿಜ ಮತ್ತು ಸತ್ಯ ಎರಡು ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, when he is acting like a beggar, he was really hungry. Why? Because he did not eat for one full day. Swami created chain and put it. Why? Because that's the original acting. That is what is acting. Not the full stomach. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲ, ಗುಲಾಬ್ ಜಾಮೂನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೋಂಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, no, not like that. That acting is also original. This is the beauty of Satyasai institutions. And the teachers train them. Bhagwan Baba witnesses those dramas and corrects them dancing. He does everything and sits there in the chair as if he is waiting. He is seeing the drama for the first time. Only God can do it. Only God can do it. 15 ದಿವಸ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಡ್ರಾಮಾ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸು. 15 ದಿವಸನೂ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು ಬಾಬಾ ಅವರು ರಿಹರ್ಸಲ್ಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಡ್ರಾಮಾ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ರೂಮ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀನು ದುರ್ಯೋಧನ, ನೀ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸುತ್ತಾಗಿದ್ದೆ, ನೀ ದುರ್ಯೋಧನ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿ ಅವನು ಕೊಡುದು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ತಮಾಷೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ again he is the chief guest. He is the chief guest for the drama. He will look at the drama as if he is watching for the first time. Oh, howda? Oh, I see. Only God can do it. You and I cannot do it. You and I cannot do it. Only God can do it. So, this is the beauty of Sai institutions. Right? So, what I am trying to say here is extracurricular activities ತುಂಬಾ importance ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Not only drama, music, instrumental music. Yesterday I told you, Anantapur girls play Nadaswaram. Anantapur girls play Davil, Yakshagana. So many things they do. Why? What is the advantage? This will increase their emotional quotient. With all these things, their mind will become balanced. ಇದು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇರುವ ತತ್ವಾರ್ಥ. ಆ ತತ್ವಾರ್ಥ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. That is why this entire thing is designed by God. Timely lunch and dinner, because physical quotient. Study, intelligent quotient. Sleep early, physical quotient. So, physical quotient, intelligent quotient, emotional quotient and spiritual quotient all combined together, integrated together. That is the curriculum of Satyasai Institute of Hyderabad.
Light off at 10 o'clock.
Life off, exactly. Life off at 10 o'clock. Warden will go down, will go around every room. Wherever there is a light, they will go and switch it off. You have to compulsorily sleep. Of course, they give one glass of milk also. Now, I don't know. about because of vegan and all that, whether they give
In my house.
only they give 1 glass of milk. That is a prescription by Bhagavan. Again, early morning they have to get up at 4 or 5 o'clock. Unless they get up, sleep at 10 o'clock, they cannot get up at 5 o'clock. So compulsorily you have to close your eyes at 10 o'clock, wake it up at 5 o'clock. Then starts Omkaram, Suprabhatam, physical exercises and all. Now, this schedule, whose responsibility it is? Teachers. You have to do this. You know Bhagavan what he says? One teacher asked, what is my role? You asked Allah, what is my role in Satyasai Institute of Ayurveda? How should I teach? Ensure that the morning to night nan bardukotinala schedule adanna tappade neevu students heli follow marisi. That is your responsibility. Corporate and home, KRA and health. What is the KRA? Key result areas. Okay. What is my key result area, sir? Your key result area is how much of percentage of this schedule you have practiced. That is the key result area of Sai teachers. What is my JD, job description? Your job description is this, to follow this schedule in Satyasai Institute. Because at home, they are Kamaputras, at this thing, your students are Premaputras. Why they are saying Putras, Andre, or Putras or Putris? Teach them, treat them as your own children.